And I want to speak about the topic my
school. I go to school every day. I have many friends at my school. We learn the lessons and songs.
In the class,
I like to play with my friends.
Sometimes we
Color the picture.
I eat
my
my
snake
at my school. I feel happy
happy
and
I
love
love my school.